Hello everyone and Happy New Year. Now, before we kick off 2025, here's a simple resolution that I want all of y'all to take. Don't buy anything that isn't truly value for money because at Digit, we are here to help you spend wisely. So last week we covered budget gaming laptops and how to buy them. And this week we are covering electric cars. So in this video, I will talk about the top 5 factors to consider before buying an EV in 2025. And then we'll also take a look at the Nexon EV 45 kWh variant to see how it measures up against our parameters. So sit back, relax and press the subscribe button while you're at it and let's go. Now, range should be your number one priority. In 2025, if you're looking to buy an EV, then it must have at least 350 kilometers of real world range. Now, this Nexon EV45 is rated at 489 kilometers, but real world figures are usually lower. Now, my experience showed me that this car gives around 380 kilometers of real world range, which is good enough if you want to do some intercity travel. Now, charging too is really important because fast chargers can juice up your EV from 0 to 100% in just a couple of hours. But real savings will only happen if you charge your EV at home because that's where you get the magical figure of 1 rupees per kilometer of running cost. Because if you'll rely too much on public fast chargers, you are not going to get the benefit of savings, which kind of defeats the purpose of buying an EV in the first place. And then your running cost will be similar to either a petrol or a diesel car. EVs are designed differently. That is why aerodynamic designs like a closed-off grille help to reduce the wind resistance. And similarly, these aero wheels are designed to specifically move through air with as little resistance as possible. And in addition to that, the Nexon EV also has EV specific tires. Now you must be asking, okay, Yatnesh, why does it even matter? What's even the point of EV specific tires? Well, I'm glad you asked. You see, EVs often weigh more because of the battery pack and they deliver instant torque, which is something that the regular tires aren't designed to handle efficiently. इसीलिए EV specific tires. Now these offer lower rolling resistance, reduced noise and better traction. Now these also claim to offer better durability, but I recently suffered from a flat tire even though I was only driving on normal roads. So although the Nexon EV fulfills this requirement really well, there is still room for improvement. Now EVs are really fast. For example, this Nexon EV goes from 0 to 100 in just 8.9 seconds. So if you're driving something that fast, you absolutely cannot afford to take your eyes off the road like I'm doing right now. But I'm only driving at 20 kilometers per hour. So therefore having a touch based panel to turn on the AC or change the airflow is distracting to say the least. You see, this car is in severe need of physical button. Even the European New Car Assessment Program or Euro NCAP is looking into testing new protocols to penalize cars overloaded with touchscreens. And Hyundai has indicated plans to revert to more physical controls. So in the Nexon EV, these panels may look cool or even minimalist, but from a safety point of view, these are not good. Now EVs, just like petrol or diesel cars, also need a solid warranty. Thankfully, Tata Motors has given 8 years or 1,60,000 kilometer battery warranty for the Nexon EV's battery pack. Now, this kind of offering is superb on its own, but Mahindra has gone one step ahead and given its BE6E lifetime warranty for the first owner and 2 lakh kilometer or 10-year warranty from the date of re-registration for the second owner, which is even better. So the point is, you absolutely need to have at least 8 years of warranty, and the more it is, the better. Now, if you plan on driving a 1500 kg solid metal tank out on the road, then you and people around you need protection. Which is why always look for either a 4 or 5 star rated electric car. Something which has plenty of airbags, good stability, pedestrian protection as well as crash protection built into it. हालांकि the way you drive will ultimately determine how safe you are in any vehicle, but still it is better to have a 5-star rated car compared to not having a 5-star rated car. It is as simple. And it goes without saying, but the Nexon EV is 5-star rated. So that was it for the video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you think someone will benefit from this video's message, do remember to share it with them. My name is Yatnesh Dubey and I will see you guys next time.